How are you? こんにちは皆さん。お元気ですか? Today, number 6 of the video of JLPT N4. Today, we're going to learn about the verb 探します. 探します. This is to look for or to search for. But we can use two different kanjis, this one, and both pronouns 探します and to look for. But actually, these two kanjis are quite difficult, and you don't learn in JLPT N4. So it doesn't matter if you write in hiragana, 探します. But these two kanjis have different nuance when we use with this one and this one. So I wanna explain you about these differences. At first, this first kanji, this one, 探します. This means to look for something or someone lost. Yeah, there was something here before, there was something, but now I can't see it. So I look for it. So this is the something that lost. Now the second kanji is to look for something that I really wanted, but I don't know it. This is unknown yet. So the difference, 違い. 違い, this is the noun difference. When we say 違います, it means no, it's not like this, 違います. But without ます, 違い, this is the difference. So the difference between 探します, この探しますと探しますの違い. And this, the first one is to look for something or someone lost. And the second one is to look for something that I really wanted, but it's still unknown. Now let's see some 熟語. 熟語 is combination of kanjis. And this one, 操作. So this kanji is just as the same as this one, the first one. So this is to look for someone or something lost, right? 操作, this means the police investigation, because the police investigation usually they look for or they search for someone lost. So this is why we use this kanji and 探します. Now this word 探索, this is exploration or search, explore. 探索, we use 探 here, the second kanji of 探します. So we must search for something, for example, the something in the space. So this is something really unknown, but we research. So this is 探索, exploration. Let's make some sentences using this 探します with this first kanji. It means to look for something lost. I'm looking for a wallet that I dropped. The verb to drop something, 落とします, 落とします. A wallet, お財布, or maybe you can say without お, 財布. The wallet that I dropped, this is relative clause. So 落とした財布 or 落としたお財布. 落とした財布を探しています。落とした財布を探しています。In this case, we use this first kanji because I had my wallet, but I dropped it and now I can't see it. I don't know where it is. So I lost my wallet. This is why I use this first kanji. Now the next sentence, I'm gonna talk about a wallet, but the different way. I'm looking for a wallet to give my mother. In this case, I'm gonna use this second kanji, 探します, to look for something that's unknown yet, because I didn't lose it. It wasn't here. Still, I didn't see this new wallet yet. I don't know. I want to buy it, but I'm going to look for it, but I didn't lose it. So this is why I'm going to use this second kanji. お母さんにプレゼントする財布。 お母さんにプレゼントするお財布を探しています。お母さんにプレゼントするお財布を探しています。I think you know now the difference, right? The first one, this kanji is something lost. I look for something lost, someone lost. And the second kanji is to look for, to search something new. Then now I'm gonna make some sentences using the first kanji. It means to look for something lost. We are looking for the lost girl. Vocabulary. A lost child, we say maigo. Maigo. In this word, we use this kanji ko. This means children. But maigo can also used by animals or even adults. For example, if I lose my way or I'm lost, then I can say maigo too. We can say like this, 迷子になります。It means, oh, I lost. 迷子になりました。We can also say a lost girl, 迷子の女の子。迷子の女の子。迷子の女の子を探しています。迷子の女の子を探しています。A boy is looking for his cat that is lost, and he's trying so hard, but he is struggling to find him. Go astray, missing, to be missing. 行方不明 or to be lost. 行方不明。漢字 explanation. This is 行きます to go. 方向 this is the direction. Direction that went. Fu, this fu, it means opposite, contrary. And mei, 明らか. This is very clear. So not clear the direction that has gone. So it means to be missing, to be lost. 迷子 and 行方不明 both are lost. But 迷子 is a short time. For example, mother and the girl was together. But the girl is lost all of a sudden. So this is 迷子. And she's gonna be found quite soon. But 行方不明, this is for longer time. So it sounds more serious. 行方不明. This is disappeared. Someone is disappeared for a long time. 行方不明. To be found or to be discovered. This is intransitive verb. Something が or someone が見つかります。Adding this adverb なかなか and the last part is negative one. So なかなか見つかりません。I'm struggling to find it. 男の子は行方不明になった猫を探していますが、なかなか見つかりません。男の子は行方不明になった猫を探していますが、なかなか見つかりません。The police is searching for my missing son. The police, we say, 警察は行方不明の息子を探しています。警察は行方不明の息子を探しています。The detective is searching for the committer. Detective, we say, 探偵。And it's quite strange that we use tan with this kanji, the second one, and not the first one. I think we should use the first one, but actually it's not. The correct one is tantei with this kanji. So be careful. Perpetrator or committer or criminal person or sometimes murder, robber, we say 犯人、犯人。探偵が犯人を探しています。探偵が犯人を探しています。Till here, I showed you some sentences using this first kanji to look for or to search for, to look for someone or something lost. So now I'm gonna tell you some sentences using this second kanji, sagashimasu, to look for something that I want. I wanna find it. So some new research, something new. We are looking for a new house. 新しい家を探しています。新しい家を探しています。In this case, the house is new and the house is not lost or the house is not missing, right? So I'm looking for a new house to live. My little brother is looking for a new job. 弟は新しい仕事を探しています。弟は新しい仕事を探しています。I'm searching for the solution of this problem. In this case, the meaning is that I'm gonna search for it. I'm gonna search for this solution because I wanna find it. Problem, 問題、solution, 解決策、solution. And if we say 解決します、the verb, 解決します、solve the problem. この問題の解決策を探しています。この問題の解決策を探しています。Lion is searching for his prey. Lion, we say also lion in katakana. Lion and prey. 獲物、prey. ライオンが獲物を探しています。ライオンが獲物を探しています。I think you understand the differences between this sagashimasu and this sagashimasu by now, right? Now a quiz time with 3 translations into Japanese using this one or this kanji. As I told you in the beginning of this video, these 2 kanjis are quite difficult and you don't have to learn in JLPT N4. But anyway, as I explained you the differences, I want you to write this one or this one now in this quiz. So please copy these kanjis. The first one is to look for something or someone lost. And the second one, the second kanji, is to look for something that I want. So copy them, okay? 1番目. I looked for a Japanese book in this bookstore, but I couldn't find it. Or, but it wasn't found. 2番目. This convenient store, this one, コンビニ, okay? This convenience store is looking for a person who can work at night. 3番目. 最後です。頑張りましたね。My son is missing from 3 days ago. And now the police, this one, the police is searching for him. I hope you learned very well. The verb to look for or to search for is sagashimasu, even if you write in hiragana, sagashimasu, okay? But when you learn these kanjis and the difference, the first kanji is to look for someone or something lost. And the second one, to look for something that I want, that I want to find. You learned some difficult vocabularies that you usually don't see them in the textbook, right? Such as murder, prey, missing person, or police investigation like that. If you think you could learn something new and something interesting in this video, please don't forget to give me a like. And if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do it so that you can learn Japanese with me. And I'd like some help from you. This is to share my videos with your friends. That will be so nice for you. いかがでしたか？今日は動詞の探しますを勉強しました。探しますは1グループですから、探します、探す、探して、探した、探さない。そしてこの探しますには2通りの漢字の使い方があるんです。はじめの漢字、この探しますは、今まであったものがなくなってしまった。または、今までここにいた人がいなくなってしまった。そういう人やそういうものを探すときに使うのが、この一番初めの漢字です。そして2番目の探します。こちらの漢字は、私が欲しいものを探すとき、または例えば新しい絵を探す、新しい仕事を探す、そのように何か欲しいもの、別になくなってしまったわけじゃなくて、これからそれが役に立つなと思うから欲しいな。または宇宙人を探す。だって宇宙人っているかどうかわからないけど、宇宙人を探してみようとか、そういう時に使う探します。今日のこの動画が良かったなと思ってくださったら、ぜひいいねボタンとチャンネル登録忘れないでお願いいたします。私のチャンネルではこのように皆さんが少しでも簡単に、とても優しく楽しく日本語が勉強できるようにビデオをアップしていっています。ではまた次のビデオでお会いできるのをとても楽しみにしています。ぜひ来てくださいね。じゃあねー。